Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome my nail friends, or any other friends who are interested in the video or nails. I got another Enail Couture purchase. I bought another $20 scoop while they were still having the 31% off Halloween sale. And I also got one other extra item added to the box. So I got this sticker book. I don't even know where you open it up. Oh. I needed another sticker book. I actually probably should have ordered two, but I ended up ordering another two sticker books. One from, I think two from Temu. I don't know if I ordered one from Shein or one from Temu, but I like the Enail Couture one. It's really cute. It's pink and it's black. Has a couple pages. You could do double-sided. So I got a sticker book because I've collected quite a big bunch of stickers over the past couple months, weeks, whatever. And a lot of them don't have a home to sit in just yet. So, and I got my scoop. Okay. So I'm just gonna start pulling things out. So we got these champagne colored rhinestones, some big ones, some small ones. You got a little bit of a mixture. This is a nice touch. I like this one. And we got this iridescent AB one. I think it's iridescent AB. Yeah. Just to show you what the big ones look like. The big ones are always flipped. Those are the big ones. Just got home from the gym today, guys. I really went hard at the gym today. Now that I've lost about 31 pounds, I can do so much more. And it's crazy that I did things at the gym that normally, like a year ago, I would be huffing and puffing and wouldn't make it 2 seconds. So I'm proud of myself. I'm going to pat myself on the back. To get back to the box, I got a Happy Gel, which is acrygel, polygel, whatever you want to call it. This is the crystal clear one, 15 grams. This will just go in my polygel collection. I believe this is another flashy lamp. I don't really mind getting too many duplicates because normally if you buy the stuff by itself, you know, as a single, instead of getting it in the scoops box, the bill adds up quick. Things aren't cheap on this website. So this is another flash lamp. You got to put batteries in it. But I like backups. We got another, we got this in the last box, a bottle of the Pink Magic Fast Dry Monomer, 2 ounces. We got some more Shiny Star top coats. I don't remember which ones I got in the last one, so there may be duplicates here, but just to go over what we got in this box, we got Mercury, and these are top coats. This is Pluto. These are with the black specks. I might have this one already downstairs. This is Venus. I don't think I have this one yet. This is really pretty. And this is Jupiter. Very pretty. We also got some more liners. I believe I got this pastel purple one last time, so nice to have a backup. I don't have this color yet, so this was nice to get the dark purple. This is 004. I love these liners. I do French tips with them. And in case you guys haven't seen the light purple yet, that's the light purple. We got a bottle of glue, nail glue. And this was different this time. We got a jar of the Spring Candy SP04 8 milliliters. Do I have anything to open it up with? I have a bunch of these from other scoops. I have yet to try them yet. Has to be mixed up really well. There, see all the glitters to one side. Okay. And we got another magnet. It's a magnetic pen. I think this is to pick up caviar beads. I saw that in somebody else's video. And let me see. We got some more stickers. I think we got these the last time, so they'll go in the sticker book now. Oh, we got some other stickers this time. Some neon stickers. I just got a whiff of monomer, you guys. I don't know where it came from. Some stickers. And for our nails, like the last box, we got XXL French stilettos. So these are the pink and black ones. And then we got a bag of the mini ones, the French mini sculpture coffins. I don't know if I got coffins or almonds last time, but I would like to try them out, and I hope they're not too small. Some of his, depending on which one it is, they run a little, like the shape, they run a little small. For some reason, the only ones that really work for me are the sport length squares. And I think the medium square length, they just about fit my thumbs. So that is it for the scoops. So we got a sticker book. That did not come with the scoops. And then we got French mini sculpture coffin nails, XXL French stilettos. We got 2 jars of rhinestones. We got our flashy kitty lamp, 2 packs of stickers, our magnet for picking up caviar beads, our spring candy gel SP04. Then we got 4 shiny star top coats. They must be getting rid of them. They're still giving those out. And we got 004 and 018 pastel liner and super rich 1-coat gel liner. And then we got a bottle of glue, poly gel in crystal clear, and a Pink Magic fast dry monomer 2 ounces. So that's all we got. So in case you were curious on if the scoop boxes were, the $20 scoop boxes were the same, because you know he had them for a while, then he got rid of them recently, maybe a couple months ago, and then he bought them back recently. I will say, like I said in the last scoops box video that I did recently, the box is much smaller. It's this little mini pink box. $20 scoop boxes were a lot bigger when I first started buying them. They have definitely downsized, but even still, I still think, these were worth it. The monomer was worth it. The poly gel was worth it. This, tips are always worth it, you know, I mean, but if it's tips that I don't like, and the flashy lamp. The stickers are okay. I don't really use nail glue because I don't do press-ons too much, but it's always nice to have them handy for when I do press-ons. And I always like rhinestones, so I mean, I think it was definitely worth it. And I honestly didn't pay a full $20 for the box because I got a 31% discount, so I guess it was worth it. So if you are new here and you're enjoying the content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're returning, thank you for returning and joining me in today's video. And without further ado, I hope you guys have a wonderful week, wonderful day or night wherever you are, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye guys.